Life of Florence Nightingale. Before Florence Nightingale's transformative influence in the mid-19th century, nursing was an unstructured and undervalued profession, lacking formal training, organization, or professional recognition. The role of nurses during this period was shaped by societal norms, religious institutions, and informal caregiving traditions. Religious and charitable roots. Nursing was often associated with religious orders, such as nuns and monks, who provided care for the sick as a form of spiritual service. Hospitals were typically run by religious institutions, and care was based on charity rather than science or formal medical practice. Examples include the work of the Catholic Sisters of Charity and the Hospitallers in medieval Europe. Informal caregiving. Nursing was frequently performed by women within families and communities, particularly for childbirth, chronic illness, and end-of-life care. Knowledge was passed down informally and was based on practical experience rather than formal education. Role of nurses in early hospitals. Hospitals were often poorly organized, unsanitary, and underfunded. Care was provided by untrained individuals, often considered lower-class women, who might also work as cooks, cleaners, or laundresses. These nurses had little medical knowledge and were often perceived as disreputable or of questionable moral character. Early life. Birth 12 May 1820 in Florence, Italy, hence her name. Family, born into a wealthy and well-connected British family. Her parents, William Edward Nightingale and Frances Nightingale, provided her with a privileged upbringing. Education. Highly educated for a woman of her time, Florence excelled in mathematics, science, and languages. She was fluent in French, German, and Italian. Calling. At 16, Florence felt a call from God to serve humanity. This was a pivotal moment that inspired her lifelong commitment to nursing, despite her family's disapproval. The Crimean War, 1853 to 1856. The Crimean War was a significant conflict fought primarily between the Russian Empire and an alliance of France, the United Kingdom, the Ottoman Empire, and later, the Kingdom of Sardinia. It is notable for its geopolitical importance and as a turning point in modern warfare and healthcare practices. Key causes of the war. Religious tensions, disputes over the rights of Christians in the Holy Land, then part of the Ottoman Empire. Russia sought to protect Orthodox Christians, while France supported Catholic interests. Russian expansionism. Russia's ambitions to expand southward threatened the Ottoman Empire and disrupted the European balance of power. European rivalries. Britain and France opposed Russia's attempts to control Ottoman territories, fearing it would dominate key trade routes like the Black Sea and Mediterranean. Her most famous contribution came during the Crimean War, 1853 to 1856. In 1854, Florence was invited by the British government to organize and manage care for wounded soldiers in Scutari, now Üsküdar, Turkey. She implemented hygienic practices, including improved sanitation and ventilation, drastically reducing death rates in the military hospitals from 40 to 2%.
This place is so dirty and damp, said the lady with the lamp. It's a hospital, not a camp, said the lady with the lamp. Yes, she was Florence Nightingale. Flo was determined not to fail. Nursing is an art, my friend. Nursing care must never, never end. This place is so dirty and damp, said the lady with the lamp. It's a hospital, not a camp, said the lady with the lamp. So sweep the floors and change the beds, bandage broken arms and legs. Nursing is an art, my friend. Nursing care must never, never end.
Royal Red Cross, 1883. Awarded by Queen Victoria, this was one of the highest honors of the time for nursing services. Florence was the first recipient of this award, recognizing her contributions during the Crimean War and her continued dedication to healthcare reform. Awards and recognition. First woman awarded the Order of Merit by the British government, 1907. Recognized globally as a pioneer in nursing and public health. The main hospital associated with Florence Nightingale's transformative work during the Crimean War was Scutari Barrack Hospital. Location: Scutari in Üsküdar, modern-day Istanbul, Turkey. This was the primary military hospital where Florence and her team of nurses served. The conditions were appalling when she arrived, and her reforms dramatically reduced the mortality rate. Other notable hospitals associated with Florence Nightingale: St. Thomas Hospital. Location: London, England. Florence founded the Nightingale Training School for Nurses here in 1860, making it the birthplace of modern nursing education. King's College Hospital. Location: London, England. Florence supported the hospital and contributed to the improvement of nursing practices there. These hospitals were central to her career, symbolizing her contributions to healthcare reform and professional nursing development. Modern nursing. Modern nursing is a dynamic, evidence-based profession that has evolved significantly since the days of Florence Nightingale. Nurses today play a central role in healthcare, utilizing advanced skills, technology, and education to provide comprehensive care. Modern nursing is built on principles of compassion, professionalism, and innovation, adapting to the needs of a rapidly changing world.